Got a Polaris Sportsman 700 EFI. Let RM Stator upgrade it for you. Hey, I'm Evan, Head of Engineering for RM Stator. Today we're going to show you how to install our voltage regulator rectifier for the Polaris 700 Twin EFI. Alright, so we're going to show you how to change the regulator here on your Sportsman. The voltage regulator is mounted up on the front here in this frame section. It's not too difficult to get to, but you do have to remove the top storage box and the front plastics to get to it. We already have them removed here, so I'm not going to be able to show you all the steps, but you have some mounting holes here that are drilled into the frame and the shock supports, and those are the storage box mounts. So once you have those removed, you can lift the box out of the way, and then you need to remove the whole front fender plastics, which has various mounts around the sides and some at the back. Once you remove all the hardware, you can just lift the plastics up and out of the way. And then there's a small front access panel here that we've also removed, and that really just lifts up and pops out. So once you've removed all the body work to get out of the way and you can access the regulator is mounted to this bracket here with Torx, I believe a T25 Torx head, and once you have both of those removed, you can then pull the regulator off of its bracket and disconnect its two plugs here. This is your stator side wiring, the yellow wires, and then this is your battery side, this larger black and red wire connector. So once you have those disconnected, you can remove the regulator and then install the new one. I'm going to go ahead and do that and get the new one installed, and I'll show you how to get your connections plugged in, and that's about it for changing your regulator. Okay, so we have our new regulator mounted in the stock location using the original hardware, and then I have the connectors plugged in here, and they're both plugged in and latched, and that's really it. That's your regulator change on this. Pretty simple. You do more work getting the body work off than you do to actually change the regulator. So that's all finished up, and it's an easy job on this bike. So when you're doing any work on your charging system, it's a good idea to go ahead and check it when you're done. Just make sure everything's working well. Since we've installed a new stator and regulator here, we're going to make sure the charging system's working right. I have a voltmeter set to the 20 volt DC range and connected to the battery terminals. So we're measuring the resting voltage of the battery at about 12.5, which is good. I'm going to fire it up, and we'll rev the motor up to 4,000 RPM or so. And we should see the voltage climb upwards of about 14.5. So let's see what happens. Okay, so we're close to 12.5 at idle, which is fine. And we're going to go ahead and bring it up. So we're seeing almost 14.4 volts or so, which is perfect. That says our charging system is strong and our voltage regulator is working well. So that's how you test your charging system on this Polaris quad. Hey, we'd really appreciate it if you'd like our videos and subscribe to them, and leave comments on the videos and let us know what you want to see next.